Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the program for file handling in C. The last class we have seen a simple program just to open and close the file. How to set the file pointer, how to open it, how to close it. In this program, let us see little detail about some processing the data in the file. So the program starts with include stdio.h, include string.h because we are going to use the string in the program. Then here we are defining the file name as students.txt. Okay, so here we are just defining the file name. So here file name is this is the symbolic constant we say. So we are just defining the file name and the file name is students.txt. Okay, so now the main program starts with the open brace int student number. This program is going to read the student number, name and the age. So student number is the integer and name is the character array and age is the integer. So the three variables are given in this file. Okay, now we are going to open the file for writing. So the syntax is file the asterisk file is the keyword, asterisk file is the file pointer is equal to f open. So the file name is students.txt and the mode. So the syntax is file open, file name, comma, file open, the mode. Here the mode is A. A means append. Append means adding data to the existing data. Okay, when you open in the write mode, old things will be erased and new things will be added. That is the functioning of W mode, which is the write mode. Here A is the append mode. We can keep on adding more data to the old data. That means old data also will be there, new also can be added. That is the concept of append the data. So we have opened set the file pointer and now it is opened. Now we are checking if not of file. This is the exclamatory mark symbol which is then not operator. The checking done as if not of file. That means if the file does not exist. Okay. So print the messages could not open the file. Some error message on the screen. There we have the function called p-error. P-error is the error message from the function processing, file processing. So the p-error is the statement like how you will see printf. Now this is the print error. What is the error? Could not open the file. Return 1. We are just returning a value 1 to the operating system. We are closing it. This is the if case. Now we are going to the next case is the else case. Else means what? File exists. Okay, now the if case is not a file means file does not exist. Now we are going to check the else case. So else case is the file exists. Okay, so if the file exists, what has to be done? We are just getting the input from the screen and then we are going to write it in the file. So print enter the student number. So we are just reading it. Okay, so reading the student number, printf student number and then scanf %d ampersand student number. As usual, the variable used is student number and we are reading the integer variable using the %d. Then we are going to read the student name. So print enter student name, scanf %s because we are going to use the string format. Here we can notice here for numeric we are using the ampersand symbol to read the data, but for the string we will not use. It is simply given without the ampersand symbol. Only just the name is given. So we have scanned the student number as well as the student name. Now we have to read the student age. So printf enter the student age, scanf %d ampersand a. Okay, ampersand age. So for integer we are using ampersand a in ampersand variable name, and for the string we are not using the ampersand because ampersand refers to the address of the starting address of the variable. So now we have read all the value of student number, name and age. Now this we are going to write it in the file. Okay, so for that we use the statement fprintf. Normally we use printf to put it on the screen. Fprintf mean put it into the file. So what to put? The file and what has to be put? Student number, name and age, which you have read from the screen, number, name and age. So for that, give the formatting, should be given in for proper order. Okay, so percentage D, percentage S, percentage D. This percentage D for student number, next percentage S for the student name, and the next percentage D for the age. Okay, so all the three formatting is given, and close the formatting and then comma student number, comma name, comma age. So now we have written the content what we have read through the screen, through the keyboard, we have put it into the file. Okay, now we have to close the file. So once the file processing is done, you have to close the file. So F, close of file pointer. Okay, what is the file pointer? File is the variable used for the file pointer. So now we have closed the file. So now the file, we have opened it and we have add some content and we have just have closed the file. Okay, then just give the message on the screen as student information saved successfully. Just a printing message to complete the process. Student information updated successfully. Return 0. This return 0 is the last statement of the C program, return 0 to the operating system. So that's all. The program, just open the file. If it does not exist, just say the messages it does not exist. Otherwise it is existing. So we are going to read some data like student number, name and age and put it into the file. That is done by the fprintf statement, and after putting this you have to close the file and finally print the messages student information updated successfully, return 0. Okay, so now that's all. This is the screenshot of the execution of the program. The execution asks for student number, name and age are given the value and it is returned into the file, and the message given is student information saved successfully. Now this is the output screen. So this is the student information, the text file which has been created from the beginning. So now I have executed the program for 10 times and I have given 10 different number and different name of the students and different age. So 10 records is created. You can see the last record, student number 8766, the last one, and then name is Uma and age is 21. This is the last record. So by that just I have exit the program from executing from the more values. So I have created 10 records by using this running the program. So that's all, a simple program. Just to read, first to create a file, then set the file pointer and then open the file and then get the information, write it on the file and close the file. This is the detail of the file, reading the data and put it into the file. This is one process in the file processing. Hope it is simple to follow and thanks for watching.